Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how do I create this look right here. It's perfect for Christmas festive season. If you guys are interested, please keep watching. Before we start, can we just take a second to subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram, and let's get started. First, I'm going to conceal. As you guys can see, I squeezed something here. Not a good sign, guys. Oh my god, I look scary. And then my normal shade. And this one, we'll use something else to cover it. Let's just blend this out. In my last video, I just asked you guys to not squeeze the pimples. And look at me. It's a bit dry, this sponge. I'm going to... Boy, I don't have a post. Trust the process, guys. I mean, I look a bit scary. I just sprayed some water on my sponge. My under eye was so red because I used eyelash growth serum. That's why, you know, there's a side effect. I've got so many more scars now because of the squeezing. Gosh, I think it's the light that looks so scary. Jesus. Okay, next. What do I normally do next? Oh no, sorry. Oh my god. I'm a mess today, apparently. Next. Oh, so I just bought this concealer because I used to use this one to cover up. If I really need to cover something, I used to use this super high coverage collection shade number 6. I actually feel like I bought the wrong shade because this one is a bit more pink undertone, and in the store I couldn't see it. So anyways, I think a little bit goes a long way. So. Actually, not so bad. I think this is my shade actually. See guys, super high coverage. I'm gonna apply a bit more. Oh my god, all the lights is just making me look so pale. Let's contour our double chin first. I only use this cool tone in here. I think for holiday glam, I might want to look extra snatched. Should I use this one or should I use... Maybe I put a bit of this. Just a little bit because I'm gonna use something else. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna put everything in the... up here. A bit too little. I haven't changed this combo for so long and I really love it. I need to really cover those spots, right? I have to spots conceal. That's what I did. That's the liquid part. And on top of that, I would use this brush, flat brush, to just set it. So next part is contour before I set my under eye. So shall we color the shit out of myself? This thing is like the palm of my hand, and I'm normally not the type of person who stick to one product. Actually, I'm going to apply a bit of this as well. Let's do medium first because I need some extra contour. Okay, now let's do the Charlotte Tilbury. The Charlotte Tilbury gives such a nice color. Okay, let's put some contour. I mean bronzer. I love the color. I normally don't use this palette for contouring because unless I feel like I need some extra more work because I'm a bit lazy. And I just normally use Charlotte Tilbury. But if I feel like because this one is more cool tone and Charlotte Tilbury is a bit more give you just warm color. So if you want to look slimmer, I think you need to use the coconut one first. Okay. So for the rest, I just put it here. We need to set my under eye. So before we set our under eye, just make sure there's no creasing under your eyes. So blend that part. And if you have a lot of texture, this Huda Beauty powder is insane. Like, I've never really tried anything as blurring as this powder. Let's snatch them. Woo! Hello, jawline. How are you doing? Okay, that's what you call it. You create your own destiny here. I'm joking. Yeah. Lift everything. So I was so obsessed with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow sprays, and this one is way cheaper and it actually works. Now I finally know how to use it properly. Wait for this layer to be dried first, and then we're going to apply the second time. So when I apply too much glue, I use a cotton bud with some water. So for holiday makeup, I always want to do like a brown and gold glitter. I just somehow always feel like that's the vibe. So I think we're gonna do that. Guys, I forgot to distant nose contour with my Calvin Klein light. Then I'll mix these two darker shades here. The lips look fuller instantly. So my eyebrows, I'll fill them in later. So let's do transition shade. We're using these two shades from Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Oh wow, I forgot this. This is pigmented. Wow. Actually, let's fill in the brows quickly. Darker shade.
I got through some days and I don't wanna wait. Will my fate find a way through the night? Why faded to a fight? Like baby, you mine, and now you run away. Who am I? Damn, curious high, love by the siren. Now I'm better than me before it's Royal Highness. Now we're here. Oh baby, baby, how do you love yourself in candy high, dipped in tie? At a time I'm trying to find myself. Oh no, I love you. Mega hyper boy, Papa one of overjoyed. Serpent I can serpent take. They claim grace but serpent fake. I know my worth, I know my worth more than what I deserve. I'ma feed all of my kinfolk. Bellies be large, what's in my mind? La la. Baby get dollars, baby make it all the moonlight. Baby make it in the moonlight. Baby make it all the stress. Yeah. Baby get dollars, baby swaying like a hula. Baby making faces cool out. Baby going for the kill. I ain't want your drama. Do it for my mama. Put that on my mantra like it's my diploma. I ain't do no talking, yeah. That's about some commas. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I turn the job into product, okay. If I get a product, I'll sell it, okay. And I find Nirvana on earth, I'll Cobain. Miss my sonata, shout out to those days. Full on the tank, on my birthday, continue on. This is my forward, y'all barely do minimum. Had it from myself again and again and again and again. Again. I me. They gonna try to make two of me. I'm proud of my skin, I'm proud of my kinfolk. I'm missing my lolito. How do I deal with my hurt? Mama takes me go to church. My pain is my pain and I pray for the growth. I'ma bring all of this back to my home. Baby get dollars, baby make it all the moonlight.
Guys, that's it. And look at this. I'm going to go and finish this eye and then I'll be right back. I love it. It's giving Christmas, guys. That's it, guys. I'm going to do the other eyes and be right back. Time to put some mascara. One eye's done, the other one. Guys, I've just done my mascara. Let's buff off this powder. I feel like putting a bit of pindash one on top. So let's see. It actually makes it look so much better though. I'll dip in a bit more in the middle basically. I love it because I feel like it brings it all together. Now, highlighter and then lipstick, shall we? I feel like I should use the gold highlighter because I actually never use this, so I'm gonna use this shade. It's nice, but honestly I feel like I much prefer my Palmograph. Do you guys know what I mean? It's getting too much, I need to stop. Okay, on the nose. This is like subtle, you know, the Palmograph is like wow. Let me see. Brows highlight is okay though, using this. Brows highlight is so important because it just outline your brows. The chin highlight is not giving. Enough. We popping. Last step is lipstick. Should we do lip gloss? I feel like this one is too dark. Let me try. Yep. No, I don't like it. You know what, guys? I feel like just lip oil because the eye makeup is quite gold already. I love this applicator. It's just like so satisfying. Now I feel like it's not enough. Maybe I just put some Patrick towel on top, like on the edges. Yeah, I think that works. With a little bit of shimmer, just here and here, to make it look fuller. Okay guys, we are done. I hope you guys like this look.
I have this song.
What do you guys think about this look? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Do you guys think I should have paired it with a red lipstick since it's festive season, or do you think this lip combo is perfect? Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys liked today's video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram. See you guys next time.